Okay, I'm still at 900 South Hanley, Tennessee, and the kitchen area, they are wanting to do a different layout as far as the countertop and the sink. So this is totally going to be opened up, is what he wants, and then they're going to have another countertop that angles over here, and about this area they're going to have a sink. So the sink's not going to move, but probably 3 feet at the most. In which case, if it moves too far, we may have to do a revent situation. And then under the sink here, there's under the sink. Oops, let me get another shot. Looks like somebody's replaced the, there it is. Somebody's got a boot on that trap, the crown of that trap. Well, that's going to be a lead arm back there. So the best case scenario would be to replace the lead arm going into the santee location. And we would figure on installing a new faucet, garbage disposal, installing client dishwasher, and rerouting a water line to the refrigerator. And that should do it for the kitchen area.